Welcome, today I am with Redmi Note 11 and I want to show you 5 camera tips. So the first, if you want to change the brightness level on your photos, videos, just take a look. You have to tap on the screen and then move the sun icon to decrease or increase brightness level. You can make it also automatically by tapping on the screen. As you can see, it works on the video and the photo mode. Okay, if you want to use the zoom feature, you can use these presets right here. So you can go for the ultra wide lens, 2x, or pinch with your fingers to get 6, 4, 6, 8 and 10 times. But you can also make it by using this slider right here. So it goes very smooth. But if you cannot touch your screen, you can go for the settings. And you have to find the volume button function and you have to switch to the zoom. And take a look, right now when you press volume up or down button, we can smoothly zoom in to the 10 times and zoom out without touching our screen. So right now we can hold our phone definitely more stable than using it like that, the pinching screen. If you want to take photos, you can make it by tapping right here on this shutter button, but you can also change the volume button function like in the zoom feature, so you can get normal shutter or shutter countdown, you can decide, and also you can tap to take photo. So take a look. You can use shutter, you can tap on the screen, or you can press the volume button. So we can find 3 different methods to take the photo on this smartphone. If you want to change look of your photo, like color and temperature, you can tap right here and pick one of these presets. As you can see, we can find here a couple of the different themes that we can quickly apply on our photos. Okay, and what if you want to get more details? You have to go for the more modes and pick 50 megapixel mode. Take a look. And right now photo from the normal mode. Let's zoom in, for example, right here. So it looks not bad, right? We can spot a few details. Photo is looking really nice, but when we switch to the 50 megapixel mode, as you can see right now, we can zoom in definitely more closer, and I think that's the more detail right here. Okay, so honestly that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.